The Victorians built lots of music halls where they went to watch shows, operas, and comedy acts. Professional Victorian songwriters started to appear like Gilbert and Sullivan, who wrote comic songs that are still sung today. Music halls became a huge source of entertainment for the Victorian people and were especially popular with the working classes.
Ring-a-ding-ding.
Parties, events and social occasions were organised in people's homes where the main entertainment was music. In the Victorian times, women were allowed to play and perform music in public. This was something they were not allowed to do before. Caroline Norton was a famous social hostess who had lots of parties. She composed songs, wrote poems, published novels and created plays. She was married to a very mean man. Caroline wrote a famous song called Juanita about a lady who struggles with her feelings of love. The song had a political message. It challenged the expected roles of women and spoke out about the unfairness of being trapped in bad marriages. Caroline used music as a way to share her opinions. She was a feminist and campaigned politically to fight for the rights of women and tried to make women's lives fairer.
Where it looks yet tender.